Sometimes I like getting emails. I like getting this email. My knife that I ordered 7 months ago is about to be delivered. And by the looks of this, it's going to be here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. Today's a good day. I just saw the mail truck go by. Let's see if she dropped off my special delivery today. Well, let's see if it's here. I see a box. It's here. Patty, it's here. Are you as excited as I am? The knife I've been waiting so patiently for the last 7 months is made by a company called Winterblade. It's the Factor. It actually came out last year, and it's been a very hot commodity to get. They went on sale. The batch that he had in stock went out in seconds. So he opened up sales for a batch 2 of these things, and that's what I have in my hands right now. It's a little over 7 months in the waiting. Let's open this up. Now, wouldn't that be funny if I cut myself with a knife as I'm opening up this thing? Probably not real funny. All right, looks like we got some magnets, a couple business cards, replacement part of some sort. I'll have to see what that's all about. And here we are, the Factor. This Winterblade Factor comes in a really nice case, foam lined, nice indent cut out for the knife. There's a titanium front scale and a carbon fiber back scale. Of course, there's a pocket clip. There's magnets in here that help assist with the opening of the knife and locking it in place. So you can open it a couple different ways. Do the old flick of the finger and it opens up really nice. To release it, just press this little button down and folds back into place, and it's tight. It's locked in place because of the magnets in there. Another cool way of opening this knife is with this little lever in the back here. They call this the flip lever. Press this and the knife pops right open. Very cool. The blade steel on this is an M390 steel. It is a semi-gloss satin blade finish with a full flat grind. Very, very sharp. Very, very sharp. I am by no means a knife expert. That is my brother Mark and my son Ryan's game. But I would say this is a really good knife. Can't wait for them to see it. A few specs of the Factor include a blade length of 3 inches, an edge length of 2.5 inches. The handle is about 4.25 inches, and the overall length is 7.125 inches. This weighs 3.2 ounces. As I mentioned, I'm not the knife expert in this family. My brother and my son are those guys. They both have really nice collections and they have really good taste in knives. This knife actually came about because my son sent me a link to this. He said, "Dad, check this out. Winterblade's making this magnet-driven knife." I said, "Okay, I'm gonna check it out." Well, when they finally came up for sale, I got online and they were sold out within seconds. Whatever they had in stock were gone, but they took orders for the next batch. They said it was going to take 6 or 7 months to come, and it's a couple weeks after 7 months and this showed up. So I'm so glad Ryan said, "Hey, Dad, take a look at this knife." Over the years, both my son and my brother have gifted me with all sorts of cool knives. My son, last Christmas, gave me this Vero knife. Amazing knife. He has quite a collection of these, different versions of it, different styles of Vero knives. These are very, very sweet knives, and the action is so smooth. My brother has given me dozens of knives over the years. Every year hunting, he would often come up with a new knife and say, "Here, Rob, here's a knife for you." And I enjoyed all of them. A few years ago, when Wisconsin became one of the states that allowed switchblade knives, he gifted me with a couple different switchblades. This is a Boker switchblade he gave me. Very, very nice, very, very snappy action. And he gave me this one, which I don't use as often. Don't really have a need for it, but I do use it every once in a while to cut apples or open a letter when I get a letter. Very, very thin, small, sharp blade. Most recently, my brother gifted me with this bench-made meat crafter knife. This is amazing. It is the Steve Ranella Meat Eater signature model. It's got a 14-degree edge on this thing. It is sharp. The Meat Crafter. I'm going to enjoy using this for cutting up briskets and other meats. It's a boning knife, so the blade is a little bit flexible and it is sharp. Again, Mark, thank you. This is amazing. It showed up. My Winterblade Factor. I'd like to thank you all for spending part of the day with me as I waited for this thing to show up in the mail. I think it's gonna be okay. Can't wait to show my brother and my son this thing in person. As always, I hope you're having a good day. I am. See you next time.